buds, let's make some crafts for Cinco de Mayo. I have some great ideas. You're gonna love these. Let's make a maraca for Cinco de Mayo. I'm starting with the balloon and adding some school glue mixed with water to make a paper mache circle. Once it's dry, I remove the balloon. I use the roll from my paper towels as my handle, but first we need to fill the maraca up with rice. I roll up my handle and glue it shut and plug up the end so the rice doesn't come out. I make sure the handle is very secure. And now it's time to decorate. Ta-da! There we have it! A perfect maraca for Cinco de Mayo.